What's up, online shoppers? If you are frustrated by having pans full of grease at the end of a night of cooking and you don't know what to do with the grease, you don't want to dump it down the drain, you don't want to just put it in the garbage and you're stuck, I might just have a solution for you. Enter into the conversation FryAway. Now, this was gifted to me by the brand to try out for the purpose of a review, and I have been using it for about a month, and I gotta tell you, game changer as far as cooking waste afterwards. It's essentially the kitchen helper you didn't know you needed, but you probably were searching for anyways. Especially if you're somebody who does a fair amount of frying, but then you dread the cleanup, you're gonna wanna watch this. Now, I will show you what it looks like in action at the end of the video, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the product first and why I like it. Plant-based product, not toxic, and it turns used cooking oil into solid waste that you can easily dispose of in your garbage can. Now, inside each package like this, they give you a little scoop. The measurement or the ratio is 1 scoop of this to 1 cup of oil left over in your pan after you're done cooking. Once you put it into the pan, it's going to solidify into a gel-like substance that you can easily scoop out of your pan and discard. No more searching for jars to pour the oil into at the end of the night or pouring it down your drain and then wondering if you're going to have to call a plumber at some point. And it pretty much works for just about any frying method and any kind of frying oil. And convenience-wise, it definitely simplifies the process of waste oil disposal. This has definitely solved my problem of what to do with the leftover oil after I've been using my deep fryer and it's time to get rid of the oil, which is a huge amount of oil, or even what to do after we're done frying fish and we've got oil left in the pan. Now, if you want to see what it looks like in action, here it comes. So we've got a pan of hot oil right here. It's pretty hot. Now, here's the thing about FryAway. You want to make sure you add this to the hot oil. So sprinkle and then stir it into the hot oil carefully because it needs the heat to help activate the flakes of the FryAway to absorb all the oil. I have about a half a cup of oil in here, so I'm not going to use a full scoop. This again is the size of the scoop. So this is a 1-to-1 ratio. So basically 1 scoop for 1 cup of oil. And I have just shy of a cup. So I'm going to scoop in here, get my 3/4 of a cup here. And I'm just going to sprinkle it in real careful. I don't want to splash myself. You can see that it dissolves pretty much instantly in there. Now, all I have to do is let this cool. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's thoroughly cooled, and you'll see how easy it is to just throw it in the garbage after this. Okay, folks, here you have it. The pan has solidified the oil, and look at that. It's in there really good. Now all I have to do is just scrape it out of the pan and I don't have to worry about my waste oil anymore. And the only way to get it to turn liquid again is to apply heat to it. So this is a pretty awesome way to deal with your waste oil. You can clean it up, you can scoop it into the garbage. You don't have to worry about it melting and making your garbage a stinking oily disaster. This is pretty awesome. So if you are looking to deal with your waste oil in a way that is quite easy to deal with and non-messy, I'm really impressed with FryAway. Easy and mess-free way to dispose of oil, and at my house, this is a family favorite.